Hi friends, welcome back to another video. If you are here for the first time, hi and welcome to my channel. I post nail art videos every Monday and Friday, and recently I have started a new summer nail polish of the week series for which I post videos every Wednesday as well. And please make sure to subscribe to my channel as you don't want to miss out on my easy DIY nail art videos. Now let's get started with this nail art design. Is this red mark on my finger bothering you? Don't worry, it was a tiny little accident in my kitchen when I was being a little clumsy. I have been using aloe vera gel on it regularly and it's working wonders. I am hoping to get rid of this burnt mark real soon. Did you know applying aloe vera gel on your nails regularly makes them strong and also keeps them moisturized? Well, now you know. Please do share this tip with a friend who needs to have stronger nails. For this nail art design, I have used really gorgeous neon nail polishes. If your neon nail polish never looks so bright as you expect them to, here's a tip for you. First apply a layer of white polish and then apply your neon polish on top of it. And that is the exact reason I have prepped my nails with the base coat and then I apply 2 layers of white nail polish first. Now paint the nails of index and pinky finger with neon nail polish. And paint your thumbnail in neon orange color. To create the torticure design on the middle and the ring finger, use a toothpick. The back side of the toothpick can be used to create bigger dots and the sharper side can create smaller dots. If you have dotting tools, you can go ahead and use the dotting tools as well. First, add a few bigger dots in neon pink polish. After this, add a couple of dots in coral color and a few in orange. You can add the dots in any pattern you like. Just make sure not to cover the complete nail surface with these dots. Also, it is a great idea to add a couple of smaller dots and a few bigger dots. I am a huge fan of polka dots and I love creating these torticure designs. They are so simple and easy to make, and really you do not even need those dotting tools to create these. As you can see, toothpick will give you the same results as dotting tools. If you too love polka dots or torticure nail art designs, I do have some nail art videos for you. I will make sure to link them down in the description box. Also, all the nail polishes I have used for this nail art design will be listed down in the description box. To make this nail art design even more interesting, I painted my thumbnail in neon orange color. Let me tell you guys, pink is my favorite of all colors, and if it is neon pink, I love it even more. What is your favorite color? Please do let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to create nail art designs in your favorite colors. Make sure to clean the edges and apply a good quality top coat. I tried this nail art with both glossy as well as matte top coat. Here's a look with the glossy top coat. And here it is with the matte top coat. I really hope you like this nail art design. Please hit that like button before you leave. It would really mean the world to me. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Please do check out these other popular videos from my channel.